Have you ever wished your journey could feel as good, if not better, than your destination? Today, I'm taking you on board one of the most luxurious buses I've ever experienced. And believe me, this isn't just a ride. This is travel reimagined. The moment you step inside, the first thing you notice is the atmosphere. Soft lighting, sparkling clean interiors, and an immediate sense of space and comfort. The floor gleams, the air is fresh, and everywhere you look, it feels premium. Instantly, you know this is far beyond an ordinary bus. Now let's talk about the seats. These aren't just seats, they're reclining thrones on wheels. Wide leather recliners that stretch almost flat, complete with leg rests, armrests, and personal entertainment screens. Each has its own charging port, a tray for food, and even privacy partitions so you feel like you're in your own mini lounge. Traveling suddenly shifts from tolerable to truly enjoyable. And the windows, oversized, tinted, panoramic, perfect for watching the world glide by without glare. What really caught my attention, though, was the silence. Thanks to great sound insulation, even at top speeds, you barely hear the road. It's almost like floating. Of course, luxury is also about hospitality, and here, it really shines. Instead of a boring snack packet, you're served curated meals and freshly brewed coffee, warm towels, bottled water, even little touches like napkins and thoughtful service add to the experience. You feel looked after, almost like on a business class flight, but on the road. The restroom, spotless, spacious, and designed with comfort in mind. I know, it's rare to even mention a bus restroom in a positive way, but this one genuinely stands out. And then there's the actual ride. Smooth suspension, incredibly steady on the highways, no bumps or jerks. You can work without distractions, watch a movie, or simply doze off peacefully. I honestly found myself wishing the journey lasted longer. So why does all this matter? Because travel isn't just time to kill. It's part of your life, part of your precious hours. When you choose to ride in luxury, you're choosing to value yourself, your comfort, and your peace of mind. Would I recommend it? Absolutely yes. In fact, I'd say everyone should try this at least once. Whether you're traveling for business, going on vacation, or visiting loved ones, this experience upgrades the way you connect moments in your life. After this, trust me, regular buses just won't feel enough. So here's my advice. Don't settle for less. Give yourself the comfort you deserve. Book a luxury bus journey and transform the way you travel. And before you click away, if this review helped bring the experience to life for you, then hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive reviews of travel and lifestyle, and share this video with someone you'd want to take on your next trip. Because travel isn't just about where you're going, it's about how you get there.